Need to recover a process that has been deleted in Certify? No problem. Watch this.
Sometimes, in the course of managing processes, there might be instance where a process gets accidentally deleted. As most of the people do not know how to restore a process which was accidentally got deleted, don't worry though, it's very simple. Today, I'll show you how to restore a deleted process in Certify. First, head over to Certify and let me create a process for this. And I save it. And let me delete this selected process. In order to restore back the deleted process, from the main screen, navigate to the Tools option in the menu bar at the top of your page. In the drop-down menu, click on Change History. This will open a small window called Change History Viewer where you can view all of your processes. And in the action name, so filter out to delete process, you'll see a set of deleted processes. Also, there are few filters available here that can help you quickly locate the process you're looking for. Just like changed by, you can filter by the user who made the changes. If you know the user ID, select it from the drop down. Next, coming to this time frame, you can specify a time range for the deletion. Choose from options like 1 day, last 7 days, last 30 days, or select other to define a custom date range. Enter your desired start and end dates and then click on search. After applying the filters, you'll see a list of deleted processes that match your criteria. Once you have found this process you want to restore, right click on it. A menu will appear and from that menu select Restore Process. Once you click on this restore process, you get to select the project or the folder you want to and click on select. Yes, the process will be restored back to its original state. That's it. Your process is now restored and ready for use.
Thank you. We hope you have found this short video to be helpful and informative. Please visit us online and on LinkedIn.